All right, hello everybody. Michael here with Best Paw Forward Dog Training. I'm going to be working with Elliot here on some good boy, good boy, some training basics. Place, yes, good boy. Just a little fun freestyle kind of obedience. Come, yes, good boy. That integrates everything he's learning here. Elliot, through, good boy. Place, sit. Good boy. Wonderful job, you little handsome man. Wonderful job. Free. Good boy with me. Good boy. Stop. Sit. Yes. Wonderful job. Good boy. You are so good. You are so good. You are so good. You are. Free. Place. All the way. Good boy. Sit. Yes. Good job. Come. Yes. Good job. Good boy. With me. Up. Good boy. Off. Up. Can you get it there? Try. No? Okay. Let's try this one. Up. Good boy. Good job. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Wonderful job. Good boy. Elliot, place. Sit. Free. Come. Good boy. Wonderful work. Wonderful work. Good job. Good job. Oh, you cutie. So combining commands, place, come, sit, stay. These things help him understand that he's not going to be rewarded for everything. He's got to do multiple things before he gets rewarded or reinforced. Okay. He's a super smart puppy, loves to train, is a lot of fun to work with, and is doing stellar on his potty training as well as all his commands. So when you get him home, do fun little circuit events like this where you're doing 3-4 obedience cues before rewarding him. Keep them lighthearted, keep them quick, keep them fun. Okay, and he's going to keep wanting to train with you over and over again. All right, so have fun with him. See you guys on the next video.